Hi, this is Simon from Pave Tool. Today I want to talk to you about an exciting new product that we have, the Vacuum Lift Mini. But before I continue, please, if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, follow us on Instagram, and come to pavetool.com. Sign up for our newsletter. We will keep you updated on any of the new tips and tricks and products that we have coming out. The product behind me, this is the Vacuum Lift Mini. It's made by Optimas. Optimas is a German manufacturer of pave tool equipment for both commercial and residential hardscapers. One of the new pieces of equipment that hardscapers and contractors are gravitating toward for the past 5 years is compact equipment, micro equipment for the job site. Some people call these compact utility loaders. They might be called ride-on skid steers, mini skid steers, compact skid steers. There's a variety of them offered by all of the major brands. Behind me is the Avant 528 compact utility loader. It is a phenomenal machine, and it highlights and exemplifies everything that's great about this type of micro equipment. It's 3,100 pounds, but it can lift 2,100 pounds. That's 60% of its weight. It's only 45 inches wide, so it can fit through the most tightest of areas, and it has the ability to lift 7.5 feet above. It is phenomenal how much power that this unit can pack and what you can do with it. Pave Tool's sister company, Bahler Brothers, has 2 of these machines. If you want more information about them, go check out Avant USA to see all the different options that they have and see which one fits for you. Optimas created the Vacuum Lift Mini for these smaller pieces of equipment. Everything is smaller on this except for the capabilities. It only weighs 660 pounds. It's only 35 inches wide. But it has an arm that can stretch out 8.5 feet and lift 310 pounds. You can combine this with any of the attachments that are available for the other products in the Vacuum Lift or All-Rounder family of products. You can lift slabs, you can lift pavers, you can lift porcelain tiles, you can even lift step treads weighing up to 310 pounds. Hardscapers across North America are facing the same constraints. First is labor. They can't find people, they can't find workers to install product. And it's becoming more and more exhausting to install the product that customers want. The second is tight access. Jobs are getting more difficult to get into. So when you combine a compact utility loader like the Avant 528 with the Vacuum Lift Mini, now you have a combination that can get into hard to reach areas and quickly and efficiently move product from pallet to pavement. The primary benefit to the Vacuum Lift Mini is the fact that when you suction down to a product, it counterbalances the weight. It makes it weightless. This means that if you're picking up a 200-pound stone, you can easily lift it up with one hand, controlling the head, guide it to where you want to, and then put it down into place. That where it used to be a 2-man operation to move a piece, or an excavator and somebody on the ground guiding that piece into place, now one person can move a 150-pound slab into place, meaning that you could clear a pallet of slabs in 19 minutes just by yourself. Setup of this is extremely easy. We have a variety of a coupler attachments, so now you can just drive up with your mini skid steer or your compact utility loader, snap into place. It only requires 2 hydraulic lines or 1 complete circuit, 1 power and 1 return. Your machine only needs to provide 6 gallons per minute at about 3,000 PSI. Once you have your machine connected into the Mini, drive to where you want to set up. Unfolding the arm takes about a minute or 2. Once you have everything unfolded and level, you turn on the auxiliary circuit, and then you can begin picking and placing product. We have a wide variety of suction heads that if you're looking to move 4x8s, 5x10s, if you're looking to pick up 8 stones at a time and shift them into a running bond, if you want to pick up slabs, if you want to move retaining wall block, all you have to do is switch out the suction head at the end of the tube lifting arm. How do you know if this piece of equipment is the right piece of equipment for your company? I think it comes down to just putting pen to paper, just being able to understand what you can do with this machine. If a slab that is 20 inches by 32 inches and weighs 150 pounds, that's approximately 4.5 square feet. If it takes you a minute to walk from the pallet over to the pavement, that means that one person is putting down 240 square feet in an hour. If you're using this machine to move retaining wall blocks, and one person is using our BL450 clamp to move 3 blocks with every trip, every minute, that means that that one person is moving 180 blocks every hour. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video today. The Pave Tool team, we truly want to take the heart out of hardscaping. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to our YouTube channel, visit us on Facebook, follow us on Instagram, and visit pavetool.com.